So there's things we can do psychologically leading up to that are so important. In fact, I looked a little disinterested. You guys know I might have been playing on my phone because I'm not needy. I don't need her to sign this contract, but I'm valuable. But if somebody's not comfortable at signing, some of you guys are so eager to get that signature, they can smell it. What's most important, the reason she signs this is because she wants me at that insurance adjustment. We don't just show up with a ladder. You say, hey man, I go on 10 to 15 insurance adjustments a week. You don't want to sign my deal? Call me when they turn you down. So you just call me back, hey, actually come back, Anthony, hold on. Please show up at my adjustment, yada, yada, yada. Vienna, I can't. You didn't sign the deal. It's company policy. We have to have that signed. You got to talk about what we do, guys. We do a lot. We pull satellite views, we pull manufactured discontinued shingle and tile letters. If you just read these 3 sentences, you don't even have to remember what the hell to say. We talked about the pictures, we filed the claim, we passed the pen back and forth, I read you the terms, and then I slid you the pen.